Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I wanted to go through my own list of 5 different plants I really love in my garden this year. So I'm going to go ahead and step-by-step list on each and every plant I really love this year and explaining why I love them this year and why they deserve to be on this list. So if you want to know every single plant on this list, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 1 on this list is the Blue Brulee Hardy Hibiscus from the J Berry Nursery. This plant has made it number 1 on this list because it has proven itself to be in this garden every single time it's been in this garden. So a few points I would like to showcase is that it's a full sun location plant, very cold tolerant, very heat tolerant, drought tolerant, adaptable to mostly all soil types out there, it flowers every single time, so it doesn't stop blooming. The foliage is amazing, easy to propagate, and it is a compacted plant, so you can fit it in small located areas and it would do amazing. So the Blue Brulee Hardy Hibiscus was given to me by the J Berry Nursery, and I'm super grateful to have it because I love the color, and plus the bloom is a unique color that you don't see at a regular, so I think that's a win in my book. So let's go ahead and move on to plant number 2. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 2 is the Mercury Rise Rose Bush. Let me tell you, this rose has been crowned the number 1 rose in this garden this year because those flowers are so big and they're so full of petals. It is outstanding and breathtaking. You look at it and you're like, I want that in my garden, give it to me, here's the money, like I want it now. This rose is such a statement piece and the colors combine so well. It's so pretty. Like, I've never seen a rose like this before. So a few points is heat tolerant, drought tolerant, adaptable to clay soil. It's a full sun location plant, great for a cottage garden, great for a structural garden, great for a backdrop, and it's great for a cut flower garden as well, and it's a great statement piece as well. So those are a huge win in my book because those petals are huge, they're full, and it's so pretty. You guys need to have this in your garden. So let's go ahead and move on to number 3. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 3 is the Groovy Grape Buddleia, aka Butterfly Bush. This plant is so pretty and the aroma kills me. This aroma is the perfect scent and the perfect strongness in a way. Like, I don't like plants that give such strong fragrance. I want a mild fragrance that you can smell it while you're passing it, but not like a slap in the face. And this is the perfect plant for your garden. It's adaptable to clay soil, heat tolerant, pollinator attractive, compacted plant, non-stop bloomer, and great for cut flowers and easy to propagate as well. And let me tell you, ever since I had this plant in the garden, I've been saying every time I come out to this garden, butterflies by butterflies and butterflies. It drives me crazy. And in the garden, you have to have pollinators. If not, your garden is not a garden. So pollinators is key. And so this plant has proven itself, and it's a win in my book, 100%, 110%. So let's go to move on to plant number 4. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 4, and this is not a surpriser, the multicolored hibiscus tree from the tropical plants of Florida. This tree, let me tell you, I fell in love with it when it arrived in the mail. The size is up my alley, the colors are up my alley, and the structure's up my alley. Like all hibiscus, humidity, it's humid tolerant, meaning it could tolerate high levels of humidity, heat tolerant, drought tolerant. It's adaptable to multiple different soil types, statement piece, and a breathtaking plant. And it provides so much color interest, it's crazy. This plant blooms 4 different flower colors every single time: yellow, double orange, singular red, and periwinkle pink. I fell in love with this plant once the tropical plants of Florida actually reached out for me to get, because you don't see this anywhere. These plants are so amazing, and when they bloomed for the first time, all 4 colors, it was breathtaking, and I said, okay, I did the great decision to have these in the garden. I have another tree they sent me to. The other one I think has a hot pink, double orange, a singular red, and a yellow. So the only difference is that there's no periwinkle pink, it's a hot pink. but I still love it just equally as the other one. So amazing. You need to have it. Win in my book. Let's go ahead and move on to plant number 5. Ultimate gardeners, coming in number 5 is the one and only pink mohilly grass. I fell in love with the pink mohilly grass once I saw it, and so with this pink mohilly grass, it's a great texture in the garden. These blooms look like pink clouds, like pink cotton candy. It's adaptable to clay soil, drought tolerant, heat tolerant, cold tolerant, great structural piece, great for cut flowers, and great for a textured garden and a cottage garden. This plant, once I got it, I had my doubts on it because I've seen some people say it's not the best, some people say it's amazing, and me, my check mark goes to amazing. This plant has been blooming non-stop. The grassy texture looks like it belongs in a fairy garden and in a cottage garden. It's so amazing. It's actually one of the centerpieces in one of the raised beds that were added, and I'm super happy that I made that decision because that plant, chef's kiss. It's amazing. You guys have to have it. Even though there's no aroma, the color fills in for that. So you guys have to have this in the garden. It's great for container gardening as well. Keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. So ultimate gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching my videos because this is so much support towards me and all your kind words you guys have been leaving me under this difficult time I'm going through with the garden because it's under renovation and I'm working so hard to get this garden in tip-top shape. And I want to give you guys so much thanks because with your kind words, it boosts my confidence and it makes me want to work 10 times harder. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.